And let me say again that the Mutual Defense Treaty applies to armed attacks on either of our armed forces, aircraft, or public vessels, including our Coast Guards, anywhere in the South China Sea.
Naniniwala si United States Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin na saklaw ng Mutual Defense Treaty ng Pilipinas at Estados Unidos ang mga armed attack sa anumang sasakyang pangdagat, eroplano ng sandataang lakas at ng Philippine Coast Guard saan mang bahagi ng West Philippine Sea. Ayon sa kalihim, magpapatuloy ang matibay na alyansa ng Pilipinas at United States kahit pa magbabago na ng administrasyon sa Amerika. Ipinahayag ito ngayong araw ng kalihim sa pagbisita niya sa Western Command sa Palawan kasama si Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro. Nagpahayag din ng pagkabahala ang dalawang kalihim ng parehong bansa sa patuloy na ginagawang agresyon ng China sa West Philippine Sea.
It's the same story over and over again. They have been more aggressive in denying us access to our exclusive economic zone in the West Philippine Sea. They have really placed a lot of these pseudo-military vessels, disguised as Coast Guard vessels and maritime militia vessels in the areas of the West Philippine Sea. They have been very aggressive in their information operations against the Philippines.
We stand with the Philippines. We condemn dangerous actions by the PRC against lawful Philippine operations in the South China Sea. Again, this is concerning behavior, and we've made this point to our Chinese counterparts a number of times.
Ayon kay Teodoro, maging ang mga bilateral information agreement sa pagitan lamang ng Pilipinas at US ay may nasasabi ang China. Gaya ng bagong kasunduan na pinirmahan kahapon na General Security of Military Information Agreement o GSOMIA ng dalawang bansa.
Even the General Secrecy of Military Information Agreement, they have a comment about. If you were paranoid, you wouldn't comment about it, so far as I'm concerned, because it is something bilateral to the United States and the Philippines. So all of these actions, to me, prove the existence of some motive which is brought about by a closed political system.
Ayon kay Austin, magpapatuloy ang kanilang pakikipagtulungan sa mga kaalyadong bansa upang mapanatili ang kapayapaan sa Indo-Pacific region. Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.